From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, I'm student meteorologist Dana Osgood here with your Tuesday morning Campus Weather Service forecast. It's not going to be a great forecast, especially taking a look over the hub. We've even got a raindrop here on the camera, and that's because it was raining for most of the day yesterday and overnight, and it's going to continue to do so at least over the next couple of hours. Current temperature is 66, and our dew point is also 66. So it's very humid outside, a very kind of moist, stagnant air mass, and with our winds being calm as well, it doesn't really feel all that nice out there. Visibility is also currently at 2 miles, so be aware of that if you're doing any driving or any outdoor activities. This fog will burn off a little bit later in the afternoon, but at least as of right now, especially in low-lying areas, it is a little bit hard to see very far out. For temperatures in our area, in the upper 60s to lower 70s, always a little bit warmer down in southeastern PA. But again, our dew points are very, very close to our temperatures, so it's going to feel super humid outside, and it's going to continue to do so over the next couple of days, especially because of the low pressure system that's going to be keeping this moist air mass overhead for the next couple of days. So we also have our radar here, and it shows that it's continuing to rain in southeastern PA and into New England. And this is going to continue to do so over the next couple of days. And this has been a significant amount of rainfall. So it has done some good for some drought relief. However, too much rain too quickly can actually cause some flooding. And in northeastern PA, there is a moderate risk for excessive rainfall. And the National Weather Service in eastern PA has issued a flood watch. So keep that in mind. Turn around, don't drown, and always keep an eye out for flooded roadways. And if we expand this out a little bit, we can see much more clearly this low pressure system stationed over New York and New England. Now, this is what gave us the rain yesterday, and what is going to give us rain for the next couple of days as well, because this front is becoming stationary. So it's just going to sit in this area and continue to give a lot of rain, and that also contributes to the amount of flooding that we've been seeing in New England as well. Some of the rainfall totals have been pretty impressive. In Rhode Island, some places have reached 7 inches of rain already. So if we move into the future, we do have some rain showers that begin to exit out of the way in southeastern PA, though here in State College, we're going to see mostly scattered rain showers over the next couple of hours. So our totals aren't going to go up significantly, but it's definitely a day that you'd want to bring an umbrella and some rain boots. And this will continue into the day on Wednesday as well. Thursday, we mostly clear out as this system begins to move off coast, and we do have a high pressure system that is going to replace it, changing our weather from cooler and rainier to warmer and sunnier. So as these showers begin to move off coast, that's where our high pressure system sets in, winds calm down, and the skies are going to clear out. So it's going to be much, much nicer later in the week than earlier on. However, then the story switches again. As we go head into the weekend, we have another approaching low pressure system that's going to follow this high off coast, and that's going to bring in some more clouds and the chance for rain returning as we go into the weekend, unfortunately. So if we summarize this up for today, rain continues on and off, winds coming in from the north about 5 to 10 miles per hour with a high of 78, which is right about average for this time of year. And overnight, looking at a low of 63, with rain showers continuing, though our winds do begin to die down, so there's not much of a chance of blowing rain, but there still is a chance of rain. And tomorrow, showers and storms continue with a high of around 73, which is a little bit lower than average for this time of year. So at least for the next couple of days, it isn't going to be super nice out. So for our 7-day forecast, temperatures are going to be about average for this time of year for most of the week, though skies clear on Thursday. So the end of the week is looking much nicer than the beginning, though we do have the rain returning for the end of the weekend and for the beginning of the work week next week. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Dana Osgood. Have a great day.